Google Bard AI, Chat GPT Alternative. Welcome to the Sprintzeal channel. The topic for discussion today is Google Bard AI, a Chat GPT alternative from Google. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the benefits and creative potential of Google Bard. Let's dive in. Google Bard is a cutting-edge AI developed by Google designed to revolutionize the world of conversational AI. It builds upon the success of Chat GPT, taking human-like interactions to new heights. Here's why Google Bard is a game-changer. 1. Engaging conversations. Bard understands and responds to natural language queries with incredible accuracy, making interactions feel more human and engaging. 2. Personalized experiences. By analyzing user preferences and behaviors, Bard can tailor its responses to provide personalized recommendations and information. 3. Creative outputs. One of the most remarkable aspects of Bard is its ability to generate artistic content. From composing poetry to crafting song lyrics, Bard unlocks a world of creative possibilities. 4. Enhanced customer service. It can assist customers with their queries and troubleshooting. 5. Content creation aid. Content creators can use Bard to generate ideas, collaborate on projects, or even co-write articles. 6. Advanced understanding of context. With its deep learning algorithms, Bard can grasp the context of a conversation, leading to more relevant and meaningful responses. 7. Innovative collaboration. Bard's ability to interact and collaborate with humans in real time opens up exciting opportunities for teamwork between AI and humans, leading to synergistic outcomes. Imagine a world where you have a virtual assistant who not only understands you but also collaborates with you creatively.
Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.